As of right now, we've had over 80,000 families from all across the galaxy join our Ramadan camp for kids. Now, on YouTube, I asked a question: where in the world are you joining from? So, I want to read some of the comments where people have said where they're joining. Minneapolis, Minnesota, aka the best place ever. Assalamu alaikum. We are an Australian family living in Hyderabad, India. My wife is from Hyderabad, India. My son is supercalifragilisticexpialidociously enthusiastic about the Noor Kids Ramadan Camp program. Sumaya Maksud, Tawungi, Myanmar. Wow, we watched the 5:30 p.m. program at 5 a.m. after Sahur and the 11 a.m. program at 10:30 at night. Wow, Myanmar? Allahu Akbar. Christine M., Montreal, Canada. Assalamu alaikum. My son and I were so happy to meet you and Hassan when you visited. Yes, we were just in Montreal not too long ago. Kenza Ismail, Niagara Falls, Canada. Asad Raza from Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Love you, Noor Kids. You're one of the best platforms for Muslim children around the world. It's 10:30 p.m. here, so my kids are re-watching the sessions, but inshallah we'll be able to tune in during the weekends. From Scotland. It's 11:30 p.m. at night, and my kids joined live on the 24th. They were so glad to see Uncle Amin live. My kids also wore face masks for Asad, Amira, and Shireen all the way from Germany. Wow. We have Umhani from Boston, Massachusetts. Thank you for joining, Umhani. Maria Khwaja from Doha, Qatar. Anisa Imtiaz Ali from London, United Kingdom. Amber Adil from New York City, USA. Anas and Reem from North Carolina, USA. Yusuf from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Hafsa Khan from Reading, England. Me and my two girls watcher recorded videos of the Ramadan camp from the United Arab Emirates. We are loving it. Good job. Fairfax, Virginia, Rafia Wahid. My kids have loved your show since 4 years and always fight over who gets to read the book first when it arrives in the mail. Jazakallah khair for all that you do. Iman from England. P.S. I really don't mind if I get the bag. Being able to join the meeting was a blessing itself. Habiba Khalifa. We're from a small town, Nuwanton, UK. My boys, Hassan Mustafa and Zainal Abidin, are absolutely loving the camp and doing awesome challenges. Thank you for all of your efforts. Thank you, Noor Kids. Our whole family enjoys your program, not only the kids. Mariam Moeen from Makkah, Saudi Arabia. Jazakallah khair for hosting a wonderful program and putting so much hard work into Noor Kids. Allahu Akbar. There's so many more of these, but I just want to say thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to serve. You know, I would have never thought that from the four walls in this little treehouse from Minnesota, we would be able to serve so many families from all across the world. And alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, it is all of our honors for us to serve. And thank you so much for giving us that opportunity. Inshallah, we're going to continue to work to do the best job that we can and put on an awesome program this year and inshallah in months to come. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. It means the world.